Eric Joker here in the car. Just wanted to do that video. If any other owners of WRXs or STIs have this similar sound, I know holy fuck. This is always funny saying that, especially my daughter right there. That's not the bad word.
Your phone.
It's okay. It's a sticker. Hold on, recording.
It's ruined.
It's not ruined. It's a sticker. It's old. Let me finish this video. I love her. Anyways, we're outside. Hold on, baby. We're outside here. I went to pick them up, and about 15 minutes after, well, not really. Well, about 15 minutes before I got here, I noticed this sound. I don't notice anything driving, any problems with driving, or any shifting, but listen to this sound and tell me what you guys think. It's like a click, right there. And then as it goes down, put that up please. As it goes down, you hit the click, and then you hear a pop. Now you probably can't hear the pop after the click, because it is windy outside. I'm at Vero Beach right now, but it's a click, and then down, pop. I don't know if that's the same problem that other people are having, but all I know is the car's 3 weeks old, has 1,000 miles on it. I did not notice this sound, and I'm pretty sure it did not do this earlier. So, and I do remember, I think somebody was saying that there was a defect on this. So, I'm a new owner to the WRX world. Please let me know what you think. I've had an SRT4 for about 13 years now. It's like nothing special, but it's got pretty much every mod that they ever made for it, except for big turbo. So, I still own that car. I'm trying to sell that car, but I wanted a new car with a warranty, and I got this. I love the car. I was planning on getting an intake, an exhaust, and a couple other things for it, and wheels. But it's like already I had 8 days out of the dealership. Old 80-year-old lady hit me. I posted a video about that. I just got the car back. And then I just posted another video. I actually just called the dealership. I don't know if you guys can see this. Just, if you don't mind, subscribe to my channel. It's nothing special. I don't do just car videos. I do like videos of me playing guitar and concerts and just fun things. So if you give me support, I'll give you guys support also with subscribing to your channel and checking you guys out. I'm not in there to make any money or anything like that. I'm just in there to make friends and people that are in the same kind of hobbies that I like. But anyways, it's probably going to be hard to see this, but they painted this black piece that goes in the fender. So I have silver paint on it, and it's chipping off. It looks absolutely horrible. And then I have, again, the sun is really bright right now. You see that? Bam. I mean, come on, really? Brand new car, and they painted it like that. And I mean, I called the guy. He's great. He told me to send him some pictures and bring the car back up there Friday, and they would redo it. But I mean, just got the car, you know, like I said, 3 weeks ago. So I'm kind of bummed. I mean, so far I've not had good luck with this car. But anybody that's watching this, let me know what you think about that clicking. If you can't hear it, don't be that big of an ass to me. Just let me know. I'll record a better video with the GoPro or something. Otherwise, thank you for checking that out.